Alright guys, time for another Minecraft video, and I'm starting this one in the penthouse of BossDomain. This is going to be another video on Connor's server. Just a little update to my fire alarm system that I've got going. The reason I'm starting up here in the penthouse is because if you look right here, if you just read the sign you'll know what it is. The Dubbing Point Incorporated Fire Alarm Model Museum, or MCED, stands for Minecraft Edition. Here it is right here. We got every model of the pole station I've made. The DPI model MC2, the DPI model MC2 Plus, and the DPI model MC3. These all work actually. Let's just pull the MC2. As you can see, it does work. Also, you might notice that the alarms are pulsating faster than they were in the last video, and I'll show you why in a minute. Here's another MC3. Let's go down here and I'll go into the I'm going to disable that note block again. I sped up the... Let me go silence it and I'll tell you. Crap. It's locked. Okay, hold on a minute. There we go. Okay. System silenced. If you look here, I'll explain what this is in a minute. I sped up the repeating process right here on the friggin' piston thing. And now I'll explain what that huge command block array is. If you look, I turn these into strobes, and you know the system is silenced, but they're still flashing. Yes, the system now has audible silence. Here's a DPI model MC2 Plus right here. Flashing, pulsating right there. The light inside BossShop in the main, the welcome place is fixed. I turned these into strobes. There's one of the redstone blocks. Home one. Oh, and this right here, I'll show you that in a minute. Either friggin' way. I can probably take these signs off because you can't read them from down there. Anyway, if you go down here into the restaurant, there are strobes in here. They're synchronized. All the strobes on the system are synchronized, like everywhere. I'm starting to replace everything with wireless redstone. See, that one pulsates like it should now. It's on a separate pulsating circuit too. It's on a NAC 6, which is non-silenceable. And here's the two down here, and another DPI model MC3. BossShop Amusement and BossShop Sports. It looks like my maps are gone. Not sure why. Home 18. So we're going to go back in here, and I'm going to unsilence the system. If you listen, I added another one of those alarm arrays is back there in that corner. And there's also another one over here in the water park. It's underground. See, this is on wireless redstone, so all three of those arrays are synced, and by array I mean this thing. Here's that right there. That pulsating redstone block. For the strobes. There we go. Also, the fire alarm panel has a new name. The Dubbing Point Incorporated model DPI MS7500 MC Plus. It used to just be MC because it didn't have the audible silence feature, and it also pulsated slower. But here's the array I was talking about. It is on a separate NAC, which is right. It's a huge NAC, NAC 6. Visual notification, non-silenceable. Then there's a disable switch right here. So if I wanted to disable the strobes, I could just do that. Right here is NAC 1. NAC 1 Boss Domain and BossShop audible notification, and it is silenceable. Sky Village silenceable. This isn't hooked into the actual strobe NAC yet. It will be. There's the strobe NAC right there. They do pulsate at the same time. I'm going to go silence the panel. And I unprivated the door because so it could stay open. I wouldn't have to keep opening it. I'll put the private sign back up after the video, but just to make the video easier. And as you can see, since it's silenced, none of the audible notification NACs are pulsating. But the strobe one stays pulsating because it has its own pulsating circuit. As you can see, you might be able to tell that they're all synchronized. We can go around and look at some of the strobes. There's that one right there. Over up in BossDomain's penthouse, there's one right there. Oops. And then the two up in the actual penthouse, one right there, and one right there. DPI model MC2. I made 3 separate models because if people want me to install a fire alarm system, I'll give them the choice if they want to go with the cheap MC2, the moderate priced MC2 Plus, and the expensive MC3, because, you know, it's like Firelight. They make their, actually, no, they make their BG12L, no, they make the BG12, and then the BG12L, and then the BG12LX, and I think the BG12X is a thing now too, which means it resets with an Allen key instead of a screw, or an Allen wrench instead of a screw, or key, sorry. L stands for lock. But basically, it has the same concept. It just looks a little nicer than the MC2 Plus. Pull it, the light pops on. And of course, I did replace that pulse station up here. It's wireless redstone now. And also, I think, yeah, I put the label for what model it is, DPI model MC3. And there's, that's probably the note block that low tone is coming out of, unless it's part of my doorbell system. Oh, that's part of my doorbell system, never mind. Either way, there's still an MC3 there. There we go. I plan to use the MC2 Pluses. I'm going to use those for outdoor outdoor applications like this right here. I did replace all the pull stations in BossShop with MC3s. And over here in the water park, there's no pull station yet. There's also not going to be any visual notification for a while. But there will be a pull station sometime soon. Over here in the sports area, there's probably going to be one right here. We're going to put a football field in here sometime soon. Not sure when. I need to find a good place to build it where it's close. Ugh. Up here at the sphere, where the what starts up, the roller coaster starts up here. There's going to be visual and audio notification, or audible notification, but there's not going to be a pull station, because nothing can light on fire up here. Like, seriously. Oops, compass through the thing. Let's take a minecart, and let's ride the roller coaster. I'm going to turn the sound down. I have macOS X Yosemite Beta 4 running. I can't wait till the actual... Unless the actual one already is out and my Mac just doesn't want to let me download it. I don't know. Either way, I want the real Yosemite to come out. And then you fall. And then you land on the friggin' other part. And then you go under the stairs. And then right up here to BossShop. Oh crap. Okay, it's gone now. Good. So, I did not reset the panel, so let's go do that. There's not really much to show in the video other than this, but... Actually, you know what? We're going to go over to my hangar. Reset. Oops, I didn't reset the pull station. Which one is still active? Boss domain upstairs. Okay, that one I forgot to reset, apparently. Yep, there it is. There we go. Now we can reset it. I actually want to do one thing before I go do what I was going to do. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to rename the MC2 the MC2B, or B standing for basic. I could probably just rename it this. Here. DPI model MC2 basic. Yeah, there we go. I like that better. I could rename them MX, but since it's Minecraft, I figure I should just keep it MC. Anyway, let's go... oh yeah, home, and then over to my hangar. Nothing new, really. We're going to go over... Actually, I did add another room, and this is new too. I'll show you what that's for in a minute. Which side is it on? Over here. Or is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. There's another ship in here. It's a little tiny one. I added that. Anyway, let's go up to the attic where there is a older version of the MC2 Basic. We're going to upgrade this set run bit. I suck. Block. There we go. So this is the old MC. Well, the basic one. Let's pull it. This is basically a new strobe system. The server's lagging a little bit, but oh well. Okay, let's go back over here and reset it. Then I got one more thing to show you, then the video will be over. teleported onto this ship. What room was it in? I need to turn the sound back up so you can hear. Oh no, it's over here in this room. TNT train, yeah! Here, I'm gonna add something to this one here before I forget. You gotta have the wheels on the train. Actually, that looks like crap, so let's get rid of it. Here it is. Here's the old panel that I had. Nothing has changed in the panel except for the pulsating circuit got faster. And I added that knack for the strobes. And this is a functional panel, so I'm going to unlock it. Alright, there we go. System normal. See, this was the old Dubbing Point Incorporated model DPI MS 7500 MC, not the MC Plus, because it does not have audible silence. Yeah, anyway, let's go into drill. And it had the problem and silenced is spelled horribly wrong. So this is an alarm. You can hear that the alarms are pulsating much slower, and the old strobe system is flashing instead of the new one. So I'm going to go reset that. If you go over here, you can see it's slower. Alright, so let's go home one. And actually, wait a minute. I wanna pull the pull station out here just to make sure it works. Then I'll end the video. Where is that one coming from? Oh, I think it's in one of the multi-purpose rooms, okay. Anyway, let's reset the pole. We'll re-enable that no block. Reset the system. There we go. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, just to finish off the video, I've got a little update on something I've been working on. And you kind of just saw it, but let me tell you why I sound so weird. I got my freaking retainer today. I got my braces off. And I literally just got my retainer today, so I have like a retainer, or whatever the frick it is. I can't pronounce words correctly right now, but anyway, if you look here, I took out all the acacia. Well, oh no, it's not under there anymore. I put in gray carpet, and I replaced the red sand with gray wool, and the red carpet up here with gray carpet. And I also replaced the wooden doors with iron doors. So it's pretty cool. And then also you might notice this, I'll get to that in a minute, but look over here and you'll see there's no more hot tub, it's gone. And then over here there's another room which I was planning on building. It's just a huge empty room, and that I did use wireless redstone for this because it just made it easier. Anyway, I still have to put a fire alarm and pull station in here, and actually audible and visual notification appliances. But anyway, let's go in here, and this is just entirely new. Pool hot tub is that way, basement's over this way. Let's start with the basement. There is a fire alarm in here, but no notification devices. There is a FCI, or not FCI, DPI model MC3, which I forgot to label. model MC3. There we go. Actually, I renamed this DP MC3 conventional. I have another MC3 in development, so I'll make a video of that later. Now let's go over here to the pool area here. Check, this is awesome. I didn't work too hard on it because I used World Edit, but here's a pool. Here's a hot tub, pretty basic. I've got a DPI model MC2 Plus here, as you can see. The wireless model, not the wired. So let's go ahead and pull it. All the lights are synced in here. You can't tell really, because if you're too far away, the lights don't like to flash very well. But if I come closer, you can see they're flashing at the same time. They're all synchronized. They're on the same NAC, which is NAC 6. So I'm gonna go silence that. Okay, there we go. System silenced. I also have a use for Zone 9 now. Boss Domain, Basement, and Pool. Zones 10 to 14 are aux, because I don't need them right now, but I will later. This room and this room over here will be classified as the basement because, you know, they're close enough. Anyway, let's go back down here and I'll show you how I did some of the wiring. It's nothing really too complicated. Let's just come back around over here. This is the actual alarm, and here's the redstone block for the lights. There's a ravine here, and then over here somewhere, right there is where that other lamp is. Oh, and then it powers this lamp. This block powers this lamp, the lamp over there. I was gonna have another wireless circuit over here, but then I realized that would make the lights not synchronized, so yeah. Here's another one right here that's powered by the same thing. And then over here there is a separate circuit. Oh, come on. There we go. Here's another audible notification device. Then the other pulsating block for the strobes, or redstone lamps or lights. So let's reset the pull station and turn the lights off. There we go. And then go back up here and reset the panel. There we go. Okay. So that is, holy crap. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. And yeah.